Hey planty people! Since I started my channel, I've gotten a lot of new plants for demos, for plant sales, and even just to show you how they grow and how they can be styled. So I've got a lot of potting to do. A whole bunch of those plants are ferns, which have been living in the bathroom on a shelf I've started calling the Wall of Shame. These poor babies just aren't getting the light they need, so I've decided to make them a recovery terrarium. I'm going to use my trick of a halo grow light in the lid since it worked so well before. And I've also got this sad little Pilea Moon Valley, which will thrive in a closed terrarium with all that light. And I've even got some Ficus pumila quercifolia, or string of frogs, to add in there. I've also got some leftover moss that needs constant humidity. It's been struggling in these little plastic containers, but it should bounce right back in a terrarium. Other than the fact that it won't look very pretty at first, this is just a basic terrarium build. We start with some lava rock in the bottom for drainage and charcoal to filter out any impurities in the water. Right, on top of that goes a circle of weed blocker fabric so that the soil doesn't sift down into the lava rock and charcoal. This is important for a closed terrarium because if the soil mixes with the lava rocks, they won't be as absorbent and the charcoal will break down and won't filter the water like it should. And now a layer of soil. I didn't have enough terrarium soil left, so I've added some bonsai soil, which drains really quickly, and regular potting mix. Now let's get these sad little plants in there. The big rabbit's foot fern can go in the middle and be the centerpiece, and the smaller ones can go around the outside. And now I'll just fill it all in with the rest of the soil to make sure all the roots are covered. Spoon really does work better. Or my hands. Now, last but not least, I'll cover as much of the soil as I can with this moss. You can just cut moss with scissors or pruners. You just have to make sure to clean them before and after. And now I'll give it a little spritz with the Harris sprayer and we'll be done. Like I said, it's not the prettiest terrarium I've ever made, but hey, let's give it a month and I'll post a follow-up so you can see how it's coming along. I can tell you this, they'll be a lot happier than they were on the bathroom wall of shame. How do you handle plants that have suffered from neglect? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I release a new video. You can also find me on Instagram at planty.jen, where I share photos and tips as well. If you'd like to learn more about me, please visit my website at plantyjenstinylandscapes.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Time for that theme song.
If your plants look sad and you've lost all hope, tried everything, you're at the end of your rope. Should you throw them out into the street? Nope, just ask Planty Jen. If you want to be a planty acolyte, learn the tips and tricks to keep them growing right. Water, fertilizer, and the right amount of light, just ask Planty Jen.